So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Developers Corner. So in this Mern ECommerce series we are going to create today our order functionality. So we have this cart, so we are going to convert this cart item into a order. So let's see how we can do. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I want to make some changes in our order model. So based on that new model we will create our APIs. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, what I'm going to take is we are going to store user details. So user details, we need mongoose dot schema dot types dot object id. Reference will be user. Okay, then it's required will be true. After that we have shipping info. Inside shipping info we need first name, type will be string, comma, required will be true. Okay, copy this, change it to last name, then we have address, copy, then we have city, after that state, and then inside other we will record apartment and all details. After that we have pin code, so pin code will be type of number. Okay, so these all are the things we have to store in our shipping info. Then we need to store payment info. So for payment info we need payment info. Inside payment info we will store, so we are going to use Razorpay. So Razorpay order ID. Okay, so type will be string, required will be true. Okay, and one more thing we need to store here, give comma, Razorpay payment ID. So payment ID, these two things we need in our payment info. Okay, then we have order items. So inside order items, okay, this will not end. Okay, so we have an array of objects. So product will be type mongoose dot schema dot types dot object id, comma, reference will be product. Okay, product, comma, required true. Okay, after that we have color. So inside color we need to do the same, Control C, Control V. So now reference will be color one model. After that we have quantity. So type, number, required, true. Okay, required, true. Copy, comma, price we need to take, price. Okay, so quantity, price, color, quantity, price, color we have taken. Okay, this is fine. Now after that we will take, okay, order items, comma, paid at. So type will be date, comma, required, or we can say direct default, date dot now, date dot now. Why it is giving, okay, sorry, not data, date dot now. After paid at we will take total price, type string, comma, required, true. Okay, same we need to take again for total price after discount. After discount, if we have any coupon, then we will apply the coupon and we will calculate the final price after discount. Okay, and we will store, otherwise we will send the same like total price as total price. Okay, so its type will be number. Okay, and one more thing we have, order status, type string, comma, default will be ordered. So this is our final model that we are going to use for our order functionality. So now we will create order in our user with controller, user control. So from this empty cart to last we will remove, or we can directly comment. Let's remove this all. Okay, so here we will do const create order is equal to async handler, async request response. Okay, then we will take something from request.body and we want const underscore id from request.user. Okay, so inside we need shipping info, we need order items, we need total price, and we need total price after discount. Okay, so this is done. Okay, one more thing is payment info. So this we need, okay, async. Okay, so after that we have a try, we will take try catch error and it will throw new error inside. We will pass this error, Control X, go down. Okay, so here const order is equal to await order dot create and pass all this data, control C, control V, comma. Inside user we will send underscore ID. It will return response.json order, comma, success will be true. So export this, create order, go down, give comma. Now go to auth route, control C, comment this. Okay, let's check if still we are getting any error. Okay, so there is no error. Now go to postman and let's check. So if I send this post request, send, not found. Let me check. Okay, sorry, create order. If I send the request again, so here I'm able to create an order. Okay, after that, so what we have to do is, now we will integrate it with backend, sorry, front end. Go to digital website master, go to pages, go to checkout.js. So here we need const dispatch is equal to use dispatch. Okay, so here we need to import use dispatch from React Redux, and one more thing we need is const cart state is equal to use selector state. It will return state dot auth dot cart products. Okay, this is done. Now cart state we have, so cart state. Okay, cart products. If I log cart state, let's check what we are getting in our console. Inspect. Let me open this it down. Go to console. Did you mean tab index? Okay, let it be. We will check it after some time. Go to checkout. So here we are getting one product. Okay, let's check what we have inside that. Color we have, price we have. Okay, product ID, quantity. Okay, so let it be. Okay, so we have cart state. So what we will do next is control X. Now okay, these all my details. Okay, so collapse this. Here we will do cart state. If we have the cart state, then we will map it, map item index. It will return control X, control V. So inside cart state we have item, he will be index Okay, here we need to show item question mark dot quantity. Let's see, go back. If I increase, so product updated from cart. If I click on checkout, so here I am getting 2. Copy this, Control C. Here we need to show the title. Title na. Go back, click on checkout. Why it is getting S? Okay, sorry, product ID. Control C. Question mark dot title. So here we are getting our title. So here we are getting our title. Control C, and here we need to show the color. So color question mark dot title. Let me check. We have color dot title. So remove this product ID from here. So here we are getting this one. Now what else we can show? We are showing quantity. Okay, we can remove this size. We are not taking from now currently. Control C, Control V, item dot price. Okay, so this is the price, and this price we need to show it with based on quantity. Control V, so it's $900. Okay, so this is also done. Now we have to show the image. So Control C. Okay, copy this, Control C. Let's check where we are showing spend title. Okay, this one. Control V dot images 0 question mark dot URL. So here we are getting our image. Let's give some width or height. Image, if I give width 100 pixel, height 100 pixel. If I increase, okay, yeah, 100 is fine. So go here, width 100 and height will be 100. Remove this image fluid class. So like this, here we are getting our product info. These all are the details we are what I'm saying showing here. Now after that, what we have to do, go to cart.js, copy this use effect, paste it here, effect, go to cart.js again, copy this state, Control C, Control V, and we will show this total amount to here. If it is there, then we have total amount, otherwise 0. Okay, so shipping we are not taking, I think. Remove this subtotal, or yeah, what we will do is, so our shipping fee is $40, or we can say $5. Okay, so whatever amount we have, it will be plus 5. User card state is not defined. Let me check. Coda. Okay, user card state. So here we may make it to card state because here we are like what I am saying. Here I declared card state now, so that's why we have to make it to card state. So user card state still it is there. Some card state. Okay, we need to change the dependency also. Use state is not defined, so comma use state. So this we need to do. Now go down, copy the same, Control C, paste it here, remove this +5 from here. So like this we have to show total is 900, and after shipping fee, that's we are like taking statically for now. Okay, now from here we need to fill the details and set it into a state. Okay. Okay, if I continue to shipping, I will go to checkout. So what best we can do is let's check. So here we have information. Okay, P, we have form. Let's use formic. So import use formic from formic. Let's check if I already installed formic. Yeah, it's there. Then next thing we need is import star as from okay, yeah, this is fine. Now go to again login.js. Let's copy the schema. Let's create shipping schema. Inside shipping schema, so we have first name. So first name dot string, okay, dot required we will show first name is required. Then we have last name. Same we can copy, Control C, Control V. We can make last name is required. After that, copy address details are required. Copy it again. We have state. We will make it state is required, new comma, copy it again. Then we have country. Country is required. After that we have pin code. So yup dot number pin code is required. First name, last name. Let me check. First name, okay. Last name, address is done. City, state is done. Pin code is done. Country, okay. First name, last name, city, state. Okay, city is pending, na. Control C V. Make it city. City is required. Okay, so let's check. Country, first name, last name, address. Other is optional. Okay, city, state, zip code. Yeah, it's fine. So go to login.js, copy this, control C, control V. So validation schema will be shipping schema. Copy initial values. Like this we have to do. So till here we are done. Let's alert values. Okay, go. Okay, so now go to form. Where is form? So here we will do on submit formic dot handle submit. Okay, so first of all we have select name. So inside name we will do country. Let's have some by default values. So India, I am taking only one for now. Okay, so on change formic dot handle change country. Copy it, control C, control V, on blur. So here we need to handle blur. Okay, and value will be formic dot values dot country. Okay, formic dot values dot country. Give me a minute. Okay, after that div dot error formic dot touched dot what country, then formic dot errors dot country. So let's go down to button, return to cart. Okay, Continue to shopping. Here we will add one more button. Okay, div button last name button type will be submit by now, or you can simply say place order. Okay, if you click, so here we are getting error place order, so sorry, country is required, or you can give ms test 2. Yeah, now it's looking fine. my-1. Okay, now copy these, control C, control V, copy the name also, control C, control V. So change this country to first name, copy this, control C, after this input paste it, shipment first name. Okay, copy this again, change it to last name, copy, last name. Here also we need to do, change this to address, control C, change this last name to, oh shit, LA, change this last name to address, copy it again, control C, control V. Here we don't have to show address, so this is other, copy, city, copy this, change this to city, go up. Here we need to take other also. Okay, now if I check, getting error for city, address details, first name, last name, go down, copy this, name will be, sorry, control Z, state, copy, I am from Haryana, so Haryana, option value will be Haryana. So we need to show error also. After this select, make it to state, then we have pin code, copy till here, control C, control V, pin code. Okay, so all errors we are getting, So if I choose India, if I give some name, if I select Haryana, if I place order, so here we are getting object. Now go up, change this to control X, JSON dot stringify and pass values. Okay, so here we are getting our shipping info data. Okay, so what we will do is we will create a state here. So const shipping info comma shipping info comma set shipping info is going to use state, and it's null for now, and set shipping info values. Okay, so like this we have to do. So now we have shipping info details. Okay, we have card details, we have total price details, total price after discount, order status also we are taking. Okay, we have total price, shipping info details, we have order item details, we have payment info. So now we are going to make payment, we are going to implement Razorpay. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, okay, go to Digitic backend master, go to controller, let's create a new controller, payment ctrl.js. okay, so control C, control Y, okay, sorry, control C, npm I Razorpay, install it. Okay, if you go to package.json, so here you can see Razorpay. Now again run the server, npm run server. So const Razorpay is equal to require Razorpay. Okay, then here we will create an instance. So const instance is equal to require, sorry, new Razorpay. Inside that we will store our key underscore id, comma, key underscore secret. Okay, these two things we will store. So const checkout is equal to async request response. So here we have const options is equal to inside options we need to send, okay, amount. So let's say currently I'm giving 50,000, and currency will be INR. Let's take INR for now. Okay, so currency INR, const order is equal to await instance, this one, instance dot orders dot create, and pass this options option. Okay, and it will return response.json. Inside that, inside we will pass success will be true, comma order. Okay, so this one is our checkout one, or we will create one more, control C, control V. This one is payment. I think this is not needed, or let's do. So payment, okay, payment verification. Okay, payment verification. So remove this, const is equal to request dot body. Here we will send Razorpay order ID, comma Razorpay payment ID. Okay, and we will return response.json Razorpay order ID, comma Razorpay payment ID. So this we will return. So export it, module dot exports is equal to checkout, comma payment verification. This payment verification is not finally, so we will make it later. So this thing we need to do. Now go to routes, go to auth route. Here we will create two more routes. So let's create here. So router dot post slash order slash checkout, comma auth middleware, comma checkout. Sorry, not this one. Checkout. Okay. Then router dot post slash order slash payment verification, comma payment verification, comma let's check payment verification. Okay, so these are the two routes. What error I got? Key ID is mandatory. Okay, we will give here. So auth middleware. Now open Google Chrome, go to Razorpay, open it, login, sign in with Google. So as you guys can see, I am logged in here. Now go to show all Let me check from where I got. Okay, developers. I think there is one place from where I get go to home. Okay, so need to go to account settings. Okay, and then we need to go API keys. So from here you guys will get your API keys. If you click on regenerate, so confirm and deactivate, download key details. Okay, so like this you have to create or like download API, sorry, key ID and secret key. So this is the test mode. Okay, so to go in live mode you have to submit your KYC details. So let's close this. Now go to payment control. Here we need to fill our key ID and key secret. Okay, so this part I can't show you. So what you have to do is you have to generate your own secret key and secret ID. Okay, and after that you can go to your key ID and key secret. So download, control C, control B, V. So our both things are done. So our payment control functionality is done now. Now let's move to front end. Okay, now let's move to front end. So on checkout page what we have to do is okay, let's close this for some time. Here we will create a function. So const load script is equal to src. Okay, it will return new promise. It will return new promise if resolved. Inside that we will do const script is equal to document dot create element root. Okay, script dot src is equal to src, then script dot onload is equal to resolve true. Okay, after that script dot on error, sorry, script dot on error resolve false. Then we need to append it. So document dot append document dot body dot append child script. Okay, so this is our load script function. After that we will create a checkout handler. So const checkout handler is equal to async inside that const response is equal to await. Here we need one module name Axios. So import Axios from Axios. Okay. So here Axios dot sorry. First of all, what we will do is we will load the script. So load script. Inside load script, but we will pass https. I will provide this link in description. So checkout dot razorpay.com slash v1 slash checkout dot js. So this we need to load first. Okay, if not response, then it will alert and return from here. So we will say Razorpay SDK failed to load. Okay, so this we need to do. After that const response, or sorry, not response, result is equal to await axios dot post. Inside post we will pass our URL. So http / localhost 5000 / API / user / order / let me check our backend or throughout where I have created. Okay, order / checkout. Okay, order / checkout. If not result, then return, and before this return alert something went wrong. Okay, this thing we will show. So it will return const amount. From this result we will get these all things. So result, okay, dot data. So we will get amount, ID, order underscore ID, comma, currency. These all things we need from result.data. After that we will do const. Let me show you how to implement, how to use. Let's copy this, open this. So this all code you guys get from here. Let's copy these options, copy, and paste. So let's change it to dev corner at that example.com. Address will be developers corner office. So localhost 5000, control C, control V, API slash user slash order slash payment verification. If I go to auth okay, yeah, same we have. So alert result.data.message. Okay, data result. Okay, alert result. Refill we have done. Order creation ID. Let me check. So from here we need to pass our key. I am showing the key. After that I will delete this, because if I show this key now, YouTube will delete this video. So I will hide this. Go to backend. Go to payment, control copy, control C, paste it here. Amount to string, currency we have, developers corner. Okay, so control C, let's give it here. So on click, control V, go to logo is not defined, go up. Let's remove this image for some time. If I click on place order, okay, if I click on place order, what we have to do is okay, remove this on click, control X, go up. Inside this formic, control V, sorry, checkout handler, and call these ones. So if I click on placeholder, why it is not working? Load script, checkout handler. Go to inspect, console, placeholder. Why it is not working? Payment object, window.razorpay, options we are passing. I have passed secret key, checkout handler, checkout Razorpay, localhost. Okay, this is also done. If I blank this, place order, let me check if it is alerting the data. Alert, place order. Okay, it is working till now. Control X. Now go to in checkout handler. Okay, till here also it is working. Rolex. Okay. Now if I click on placeholder, okay, here also we are not getting anything. If I do control V, okay, I think there is some problem in this. https checkout.razorpay.com. okay, it's not VI, it's V1. If you click again, control V, still not giving. Why it is not loading the script? Load script src. Oh shit, we need to create it script, not root. Placeholder. So yeah, now it's working. Go to network, check out, there is no token attached to the header. So what I'm going to do is I'm removing or do one thing, config, import utils xgeos config. Okay, config. Okay, and pass this here config. Now if I try, still error. Payload, comma. Okay, so now it is passing the data. Okay, I got the order ID, amount. So here we are getting our data. Now let's see why it is not opened. Click, checkout is done. Okay, checkout is done. Amount, if I do log, result, and let's check what we are getting here. Console. Okay, result of data we are getting. To string amount. Okay, this amount we can directly pass. If I click again, yeah, amount should be let me check what I'm getting in amount. Data. Okay, amount, result dot data. Inside data we have order. Okay, result dot data dot order. Now if I print or log amount, let's check what I'm getting. Placeholder. Yeah, now it is working fine. Okay, so like this we have to implement our Razorpay. Now if you click on UPI, null navdeep @ this, pay now, go to network, Mm, there should be API called payment verification. So here also we need to send comma config Razorpay payment ID, Razorpay order ID. This one we don't need to send. Okay, so if I click again, go to UPI, null, navdeep at the rate, anything you can type, pay now, payment success, payment verification. Okay, preview response. Okay, so we are getting Razorpay order ID and Razorpay payment ID. Remove this alert. So this is also done. Now what we will do is const Razorpay, or we can say payment info, payment info, comma, set payment info is equal to use state, and inside that we have Razorpay payment ID, comma, Razorpay order ID. So this we need to set. So go to set payment info. On this control V, we need to set control C, control V, sorry, control C. So like this we need to set, or go up, log payment info, comma, shipping info. If you click on place order, let's fill the name. Okay, why it is not moving? India, click on place order, NFG at the rate, pay now, payment success. Now if I inspect, if I go to console, why it is okay, Razorpay ID I am getting. Second thing is why shipping info is null. Oh, sorry. So set shipping info values. If I click again, go to UPI at the rate, pay now. So let's check what we will get in state. So here we have shipping info and payment info. So these two things we have. Now if you refresh, okay, go to, okay, let it be for some time. So these two things we have, shipping info we have, checkout handler we have total amount. Okay, let's see, shipping info, order items we have, payment info we have, total price after discount we have. So let's cart state, Let's go to features, user service, const create order is equal to async. Inside async we will send order detail. Control C, Control V, mgos dot post. Why I make this delete? Okay, we will check it later. So this request will go to user slash cart slash create dash order. We need to send config comma order detail. Okay, export it, create order. Now go to user slice, go up, copy user slash cart slash create order, create a create an order. So here we need to pass order detail, and this one will be create order. Copy this, Control C. Let's create cases. Control C, Control V, Control X. Change this to update cart. Control V. So state dot ordered product, whatever we can say. Okay, so toast dot success, ordered successfully. So only this one we have to do. Now go to checkout.js. So these all things we need to do. After set payment info. Okay, here we will dispatch what? Create an order. Inside create an order we will pass the values. Let me check. Okay, total price. Inside total price we will send total amount, comma total price after discount. For now I am sending the total amount, comma then we have total price. Okay, order items. Inside that I am sending cart, not like that, order items. It will create problem. Let me check. Okay, let it be for some time. Then we have payment info, comma shipping info. So for order items we need to prepare data. So what we will do is, let's create a for loop. Cart state let order go up, let items is equal to blank string for now, or we can take a blank array. So here what we will do is for okay, we have to create a state dot push. What we can do, item cart state. Let's check what I'm getting in cart state. So state dot log. Okay, let's make it outside. Control X, take a use effect. Inside this use effect, pass blank dependency. Control V, console.log cart state index. We have a error, question mark, inspect, go to cart. Now click on checkout, click on console. So here we have the ID. Okay, we have the array. Okay, we have run a loop of so let items equal to blank array, items dot push. Inside push, what it will do is product. Inside product, cart state index dot what, index dot product id dot underscore id comma quantity cart state index dot quantity. After that, if I log items, let's check. Okay, go to checkout.js. Okay, items, let's check what I'm getting. We have product quantity. Okay, product quantity and now comma color cart state index dot color dot underscore id. Let's check. Okay, we have color id also. Then price, so cart state index dot price. Now we have color, price, product, quantity. Okay, so after this, let's create one more state. So const cart product state comma set cart product state is equal to use state a blank array. Copy. Where is that use effect? Okay, control V and pass items, and after that if I log cart product state, So we have an array. Yeah, this is fine. Now do one thing. Control. Okay. Copy this and total price after discount, order items, pass this cart product state. Okay, I think all things are done. Now we need to make this amount dynamic. Okay, so let's check from where we will get the amount. Checkout config. Okay, amount. So this amount will be total amount. Okay, this will go to, let's check, India, pass the data, Haryana, inspect, go to network, click on UPI, add the rate. Okay, click on pay now. Let's check what will happen. Where is that? Why checkout API? Okay, create order, payload. So we have order items, we have payment info, shipping info is null. Why? Let me check order items, payment. Okay, shipping info. Why shipping info is null? Shipping info, set shipping info values. Okay, file log, shipping shipment notes. Okay, shipping info. Go to console. Here I am getting the details now. Go to network. Okay, checkout handler. Do one thing. Control X. Set timeout. 300, or after that it will call the checkout handler, place order, go to UPI, add the rate, API, pay now. Let's check. Checkout handler is called, I think, create order. Yeah, now we are getting shipping info, payment info. Inside payment info we have Razorpay order ID, Razorpay payment ID. And now, okay, inside create order, where is checkout code? So inside checkout we are sending this amount. So like this, we don't send amount, total amount. If I check again, payment, UPI, at the rate A, pay now. Okay, so like this we will send. So now go to our backend, user controller, create order. Okay, this one is, go to payment controller. Okay, so const amount is equal to request dot body, and here we need to pass the amount. So now if we check, click on placeholder. So here amount will be 9. Okay, do one thing, amount into 100, cancel this, yes, then again place order, so amount will be 900. Okay, do one thing, go to checkout.js, amount will be total plus 5, cancel, yes, cancel, place order, yeah, now it's giving the real details what I want, at the rate gmail, or sorry, at the rate axl, pay now. So like this you can implement payment gateway. Okay, so our order is successfully created. Okay, so this is all what I want to show for today. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching this video. If you guys are new on this channel, then please subscribe to my channel and like my videos and comments. So this is not completed, some functionalities are pending, like navigation is pending. After like successfully creating the order, we have to create an order page, there we will fetch all our orders. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Thank you guys.